Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Free Will and Destiny from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Free Will and Destiny. Don't overcomplicate life with should-haves or should not. Trust there's a timing in everything, and trust the universe will conspire on your behalf. The only missing piece is your action, which you procrastinated over and over again. Shift in gear and let the universe handle the rest. There's no free rides, only free will, which ultimately changes your destiny, one step at a time. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about what you are grateful for today. If you're able, close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I'm grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my clothes. I'm grateful for Google. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.